Today is day one, week one of our debt-free journey. We're going to be paying off $67,200 in debt. We're going to try to do it this year. And as a bonus, I'll be replacing the jack on my trailer because a friend of mine, accidentally twice, had an accident with my trailer and his car. It's all good though. I'm going to hold it against him. Please stay to the end of the video. And if you get something out of this video, why don't you click that like button and the subscribe button. And that way you can keep up with this whole entire journey. And I'd really appreciate it. Let's get into it. Man, that was loose.
Yeah, it was loose. This man, burn, baby.
That was loose too.
Yeah. I can't believe they're all loose.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe getting smacked by the car really messed it up.
Yeah, smacked by the car and got really messed up. It just scratched.
So the big things that we need to pay off, really the only consumer debt that we have, we don't owe anything on our cars. We don't owe anything for any of the things like the trailers. We don't owe anything on that. But what we do have is we owe about $50,000 on the Goodview Woodworks wood shop. We owe about $10,000 on a line of credit that we use to fix our house, put new AC system and things in. We owe $3,000 on a Goodview Woodworks business credit card. And we owe about $3,000 to a friend of mine who bailed me out when times were tough. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try to follow Dave Ramsey's thing loosely. And I don't know if you know Dave Ramsey's thing, but I'm gonna show you. What we're gonna do is, regardless of the interest rate, we're gonna start off with the debt that has the lowest amount. We're gonna pay that one off first, probably Fred, my friend. And then once that's paid off, we'll take the monthly amount we were using for that, we're gonna put it on the next one and double up to pay that one off quick. And when the next one's paid off, we'll double up on the next one, double up on the next ones. They call it the debt snowball. So that's what we're gonna be doing for that.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. You almost fell?
Yeah. I like that when you I like when you was talking. I like that part.
You okay?
Yeah. When I fall, it just scared me.
You ready to go get a new one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that.
Are we
We're gonna go over to Tractor Supply, I think. You ready to do that?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Look both ways.
Daddy, did you used to have a revolver? I thought you did. It looked just like
Huh?
I just want to look at stuff.
Yeah, remember what we gotta get?
Yeah.
What is it?
A new one of these.
What is that?
I don't know. That what?
Lifts up the trailer and jacks up the trailer?
Yeah. Jack.
Oh man, we don't have it. That ain't right. That's not the right one. I think it only says 2,000 pounds.
2,000 pounds?
I need that one because I think it's more. We'll see. Did we get what we needed?
Yeah.
Exactly. Boom. Hey, 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 hey.
Ben, okay? I know. Okay, the next one. Okay.
You want to start putting it in the hole?
Yeah.
Go ahead, put it right there. Start tightening. Okay, so we have these 4 items that we need to pay off, and each woodworking project that I have, each job that I've been commissioned, I'm gonna break it down in each video exactly how much we profited on this project and how much we're gonna put towards debt. So that way, if you guys hang out with me and watch each video, you could see it live, kind of me knocking out the debt throughout the year. And hopefully, I can knock out the debt this year rather quickly. So I would encourage you guys to follow along for each video and join me in paying off this debt. And maybe you guys could learn a thing or two from my mistakes and from me posting these videos on how to knock out your debt as well. Because man, it's gonna feel good to knock out all that money that we owe. All right guys, I'll catch you on the next one. God bless you all. Peace.